The integration of EU CAPTCHA takes just a few minutes. After logging in for the first time, start by creating a Sitekey by entering the domain or subdomain you want to protect with the CAPTCHA. By clicking the Create and Set Up button, you get directly to the Integration tab in the Sitekey settings. Here you can select the categories that match the technology you are using. In this example, front-end framework and plain HTML. Then copy the generated script tag by clicking on the copy icon and paste it into the head section of your HTML. In a second step, copy the div tag and add it to a form of your website where the EU CAPTCHA should appear. To ensure that the EU CAPTCHA works as expected, you must finally add the counterpart of the front-end code to your back-end. You can find the necessary information in the documentation and in the Details tab. Afterwards, you should test whether the CAPTCHA works as intended. See for yourself how you can benefit from Myra EU CAPTCHA. Try it free for 3 months.